Jai Hind children, welcome back to our online GK class. I hope by God's grace all are perfectly alright and stay safe at your home. Now we are going to learn 3 chapters from our GK text. They are chapter 36, The Toon Magic, chapter 37, Beauty and the Beast, and chapter 40, Picture Cues. The Toon Magic, Beauty and the Beast, and Picture Cues. Okay, are you ready? Chapter 36, The Toon Magic. Different characters are shown in this chapter. Can you guess who is who? Question number 1. The character who is swinging on the branches. The character who is swinging on the branches. Answer is Mowgli. Mowgli. Mowgli is a fictional character of Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book stories. He is a feral boy from Madhya Pradesh, India, who originally appeared in Kipling's short story The Rook. The first answer is Mowgli. And next, the second question. The character who is flying up in the sky. Answer is Doraemon. Doraemon is a fictional character of Japanese manga and anime series of the same name created by Fujiko Fujio, the pen name of the writing team Hiroshi Fujimoto and Moto Abiko. He is a male robotic cat that travels back in time from the 22nd century to aid a boy named Nobita. So the second answer is Doraemon. Then question number 3. The naughty mouse that keeps on thinking of ways to disturb Tom. Answer is Jerry. Jerry. Jerry Mouse is a fictional character in Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer's series of Tom and Jerry animated short films created by William Hanna and Joseph Barbera. Jerry is a brown, cute mouse always thinking of how to disturb the tomcat. So the third answer is Jerry. Next, the fourth question. The character who is attracted to the smell of samosa is Motu. Motu. Motu Patlu. The story revolves around Motu and Patlu, two friends living in Furfuri Nagar and always fall into trouble, later being rescued only by sheer luck. So the last answer is Motu. Then the next chapter, Beauty and the Beast. Chapter 37, Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and Beast is a fairy tale written by French novelist Garbeli Barbauld and published in 1740. Beast appearance in the animated movie Beauty and the Beast is a combination of several animals. Can you name them? First one, it has the head of a buffalo. It has the head of a buffalo. And number 2, brow of a gorilla. Brow of a gorilla. Number 3, body of a bear. Body of a bear. And number 4, mane of a lion. Mane of a lion. Number 5, tusk of a wild boar. Tusk of a wild boar. Then the next chapter, Picture Cues. Chapter 40, Picture Cues. Here some famous sports personalities are given. Can you name them? Let us try. The first question is about football player. The football player given in this picture is Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi is an Argentinian professional footballer who plays as a forward and captains both the Spanish club Barcelona and Argentina national team. So the first answer is Lionel Messi. Second one, all are familiar with this picture. Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is an Indian cricketer and the current captain of the India national team. A right-handed batsman, Kohli is regarded as one of the best contemporary batsmen in the world. He plays for Royal Challengers Bangalore in the Indian Premier League and has been the team's captain since 2013. Second answer is Virat Kohli. And number 3, Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal is an Indian professional badminton singles player. She has won over 24 international titles, which includes 11 Super Series titles. So the third answer is Saina Nehwal. And the next one, number 4, Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza is an Indian professional tennis player. She has won 6 Grand Slam titles in her career. From 2003 until her retirement from singles in 2013, she was ranked by the Women's Tennis Association as India's #1 player. Sania Mirza. And the last one is Deepika Pallikal. Deepika Pallikal Karthik is an Indian professional squash player. She is the first Indian to break into the top 10 in the PSA Women's rankings. Deepika Pallikal. Okay, children, complete the lessons and study well. Stay safe at your home. God bless you, dears. Bye bye.